Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. In case you're new, please subscribe so you see just how I grow orchids in Jamaica. Guys, I am at the Manchester Horticultural Society where they are having a plant sale. So, if you want to see just what they are selling here today, just stay tuned. All right, guys, yes, they are having a plant sale today at the Manchester Horticultural Society. And guess what? They are also going to be doing it next week, Saturday. So guys, we are going to walk around and you are going to come along with me just to see exactly what they have for sale here. Of course, you know, Christmas is in the air. So because Christmas is in the air, you know, we have a lot of what? Poinsettias. And so we also have in bloom some Cymbidium orchids. Now, I am going to let you say hi to the vendor right here. Just say hi.
Hi.
And what are you selling here?
Poinsettias, Cymbidiums, Jade plants, and Bromeliads.
Oh, jade plants as well, and Bromeliads. Oh, aren't they beautiful, guys? Yes, they are. Just come on down, and I'm sure you will find something to add to your collection. So this is another stall, and this stall is really very colorful. It has plants that are just green. You have different colors. And here we have the vendor. What's your name? And tell us all about what you're doing here.
Well, I'm Colette Williams and I'm selling some plants here. Well, I have succulents, I have Italian cypress, poinsettias.
Wow, look at this poinsettia, how beautiful it is. Look at the color. Isn't that unusual? That is just such a beautiful one. Oh my God. And your succulent plants are awesome as well. And I see you have some jade plant right here.
Anthurium,
Okay.
Anthurium, more poinsettias, cactus, succulents.
Oh, a lot of cactus here. Yes. Just come on down, guys, because I'm sure you will find something that you really love. Just look at this poinsettia. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, yes, it is. Okay, we have a few orchids here. These are the?
Calanthe.
Oh, the Calanthe.
Calanthe.
All right. And they are beautiful.
They are.
Really beautiful. And you also have some strawberries here. Strawberry suckers. Really nice. Really nice. We have quite a bit of anthuriums for sale here as well. Different types, different colors, different shape. Okay. And I'm seeing the famous croton. Croton here. Wow, look at this, how beautiful it is. It's very unusual and the color is bright and very striking. Really nice. Here are some other anthuriums, and these are the Obaki, and they are so huge, so healthy, so nice. Look at the bloom of this one, how awesome it is. Oh my Lord. So you can imagine, guys, when you come back next week, what will be here. Another stall here with a mixture of plants.
They call it, it's a jade plant.
That's a jade,
Some
okay.
people call it money.
Oh, the money plant. Oh, the famous money plant.
And this is a begonia.
Begonia, right.
And this is also a begonia. They call this one the lettuce.
Oh, the lettuce begonia.
And this is a zizi.
Okay, nice.
And this is a succulent, and this is, they call it pepperoni.
Pepperoni, right, right.
These are
The impatiens, right.
and this is, they call it silver queen
Oh,
begonia,
the silver queen begonia.
and they call this a rat back ears.
Oh, the rat bat ears. It's big. Wow, okay. Nice.
And these are Bromeliads.
The Aglaonema, right. Another stall, guys, with some beautiful plants here. I am going to find the person who is selling them for them to tell me a little bit about them. This is your stall?
Hope they can, yes, ma'am.
Right. Can you tell me what you're offering here?
Okay, these are succulents,
Right.
and I have them in miniature pots.
Okay.
Okay, price ranges from 500 to 1,000,
Okay, nice.
and the succulents, I basically these are about 300.
Okay.
That's 5 for those.
All right.
This is the YTT, yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Oh, the yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Yeah, very popular around Mandeville.
Right, right.
Yeah, so
I see you have some anthuriums as well.
yes, I have a few anthuriums left.
Right.
Red, just red and orange.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
And a few
Those are
begonias.
begonias.
These are all begonias.
Right, right, right.
Uh-huh.
All right, thank you. I see you have a nice Dendrobium orchid in the midst.
Yeah, and a dendrobium.
Let me
Yes, a small.
zoom in. Isn't that beautiful? Really beautiful. And of course, we have some art on display right here. Aren't these beautiful? Look at these cards. I'm going to ask the person selling them just to tell me a little bit about what is happening here.
Okay, so the cards, my mother and I made these together. So like they don't like replicate the cards, they're like unique. So you wouldn't really have the same cards another person would.
Oh,
And they tend to have our cards like for like example like this one, I think has like a 3D effect.
right.
And my mother seems to like, like butterflies and flowers a lot, so she likes to put that there, and she also is inspired by scriptures, so she also puts that on the cards too.
Okay.
And I also really like, she likes simple things, but I like it a little bit more complex and stuff with the backgrounds and so on.
And if I may interject, I'm so impressed
Yes.
about her. That's a second form at Campion College,
Wow.
producing these things.
Wow.
So I really dream, and I'm sincere when I say I'm so impressed.
Mm.
I came over and asked, if she was at Edna Manley, and I heard that she's a second form at Campion.
Oh, I am really impressed and proud.
I'm telling you.
Oh my, yes, yes,
I am very much so.
yes,
And I
yes,
mean, look at the work that she's
yes. Really creative, really nice.
And my mother also likes to sew, so she made these bags and scarves.
Mm-hmm.
She likes to sew clothes, but she really likes the bags and so on.
Mm-hmm.
The paintings, I actually started taking it serious, last year.
Oh,
So I've been doing drawings a lot longer, but I didn't bring any drawings here. But I started to do the paintings last year, really.
okay, very nice. Thank you so much. I'm really proud of you.
This
Yes,
collection is called Ale-Jae Creations.
Ale-Jae,
Ale-Jae Creations.
Ale-Jae Creations. Very nice, and thank you so much. And I really hope that persons will see the true beauty in these and will come down and support you as much as they can. For a second form student to be so creative, so innovative, I am really impressed. Thank you so much.
I think so too.
So these are some others here. All right. So guys, this is where they showcase the prize winners, and of course you'll see some anthuriums here, some aglaonema, and they are beautifully displayed here, as well as the medinella, right? Yes, 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 and the bromeliads. Isn't that display quite beautiful? Look at that. Really stunning, really beautiful. And this is all done by the Manchester Horticultural Society. And they're having a plant sale and they will be here next Saturday as well. All right, so we have another stall here. And of course, mainly anthuriums. We have a few bromeliads and some succulents. Right. Of course, you know, we're in Jamaica, so we have to have a liquor ground provision. So we have our sweet potato right here. All right. So this is another section with a mixture of things, including some orchids. What you are selling right here, bougainvilleas,
Yes,
orchid, and orchids.
Yes.
Oh,
And lipstick also.
lipstick. Oh, okay, this one here, this is really beautiful. Oh, you have the white and the pink.
And the spider flowers also over here.
All right. Nice. Okay, all right, really nice. Oh, these bougainvilleas are beautiful. This seems to be the splash with the two color.
Yes. It's a coconut top.
4 different colors?
Yeah.
Oh, interesting, interesting. Hi guys. Let me see what you have here. Can you tell me a little bit about what you have here? Oh, you're doing household items.
Plants that goes along with
Right.
gift items,
Okay.
variety, everything.
All righty.
So I hope everybody will find something that they like.
I hope so too. All right. Thank you so much. All right. So this is another stall here, and this one has a mixture of phalaenopsis orchids as well as succulent plants. And I want you to tell me just a little bit of what you have here.
Okay, I have Jade. This is the Jade. Bromeliads. I haven't got only one bromeliad right now. But
Okay.
I have a variety and some succulent dish. Nice for your kitchen windows
Oh, real? Yes,
Yes.
that's nice. Nice.
or for your dining table.
Yes, a dish garden.
Dish
Wow,
garden.
what a beautiful dish garden. I love that. I love that. I love that. Okay. And of
Of
course,
course, we have nice phalaenopsis
right.
to decorate for Christmas or even
Or as gifts, yes. And they are beautiful. And guys, believe me, the prices are right. So you need to come on over because the prices are really right. Yes. So, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this visit because I enjoyed it too. And if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And so you never miss another video. Please subscribe to my channel. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back on me. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids in Manchester, Jamaica.